the small lifestyle changes that I could make after learning from NFNA, especially on myself, has helped me a lot. कुछ नहीं है अगर health नहीं है तो it is just health. Hi, this is Padmaja here. I'm an ex-student of NFNA DAN 22 batch. Apart from being a clinical nutritionist, I'm also a yoga teacher. I've been a practitioner for more than 15 years now. Things started going south when I got pregnant and I gained a lot of weight during pregnancy. It was almost 5 years postpartum that I even could think about losing weight because it just wouldn't budge. So that's when I met a nutritionist and she just changed everything that I ate. And what I couldn't lose in 5 years, I lost all of that in the span of 4.5 to 5 months. Just like with yoga, I wanted to give this weight loss journey, the experience that I had, I wanted even other people to have it with the ease with what she gave me. So I did my research and I stumbled upon NFNA online, and it fit my requirement of time as the time that I could give, for classes, and I am so happy that I chose them. So apart from actually teaching you all what goes in what, like what food contains what vitamins and what nutrients, the best thing I enjoyed about this course was studying about the human body, which was very new to me. I have been a commerce student. Even taught us about the emotional quotient, what hormones do to you, what other organs do, what is the work for each and every organ, how do you react, when certain hormones act upon you. So this, somehow I felt it worked the best for me because it gave me a range to work with the clients. Like, I can understand the emotional range of my client better now. If a person is extremely obese, apart from being obese and not being able to lose that weight, what that person must be going through mentally, what hormones must be acting up on that person, and what stress can do to a person. All this I enjoyed learning a lot, especially from Sindhura ma'am. Other few things that I really enjoyed learning was reading a nutrition label. It might sound very silly, but I really enjoy it, and I do it since the day I've learned it from ma'am. I enjoy reading it. I like to see what is going inside me, and this has really helped me make really good choices for my family. Also, the small lifestyle changes that I could make after learning from NFNA, especially on myself, has helped me a lot in improving my skin and hair. And I am so happy that I chose them because I wouldn't have met Sindhura ma'am anywhere else. She is an amazing person to study with or even to work with, for that matter. I have actually seen changes, and I recommend the same to my clients also. Even small things like what is acidity, what else you can do to control the acidity. All these small things, they may not, you can't find these things on Google, but you learn this over here, and when you pass it on to people trust you and they enjoy working with you. So I would always be grateful to NFNA for all these small things, especially Sindhura ma'am. The happiest moment is my 8-year-old daughter. Even I have taught her small things. She used to sometimes sit with me in class. So she also knows about certain micronutrients and what is going inside her. It's like, let them start early so they know what they're eating, especially in this age of extremely unhealthy food, extremely calorie dense food that is available everywhere. We can make conscious choices because कुछ नहीं है अगर health नहीं है तो it is just health.